Today we're looking at how to figure out the number of possible combinations that you can have if you have a set number of items that you're choosing from. So, for example, maybe we're talking about putting together an outfit and you want to know how many different possible outfits you could put together with, say, a few shirts and a few pair of pants and a few pair of shoes. So the way that you can figure out how many possible combinations you would make is you take the number of options that you have in your first choice and you multiply that by the number of options you have in your second choice times the number of options you have in your third choice, and then that repeats on and on and on for however many things that you are looking to make a combination with, and you just multiply them all. So let's say, for example, you had 5 shirts, you had 2 pairs of pants, and 3 pairs of shoes. And you wanted to figure out how many different combinations, how many different outfits could you make with this. So it would just be your 5 pair of pants times, your 5 shirts times your 2 pairs of pants times your 3 sets of shoes, and that would give you a total of, so 5 times 2 is 10 times 3 is 30. You would be able to make 30 outfits with this combination. Now, you're not guaranteed that these outfits are going to match, but it's 30 different ways that you could dress with these sets of clothes. So let's take a look at another example of figuring out how many possible combinations we could have. So in this example, at the Tyson Grill, I wish I had a restaurant, I don't. A prix fixe dinner gives you the following choices. So this is basically like a set menu. A lot of times you'll see prix fixe dinners on special occasions like Thanksgiving or Mother's Day, because a lot of times the restaurants get overwhelmed by the number of people, so they just cook a fixed menu. So that's what a prix fixe menu is. So for a starter, you can get either a soup or a salad. For the entree, you can get chicken, beef, pork, veggie, or pasta. And then for dessert, you get the choice of either a pastry or an ice cream. So we want to figure out how many different possible dinner combinations could you have. Well, so what you do, remember, is you take the number of starter options that we have. So we have 2 starter options times the number of entree options you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 entree options times the number of dessert options, 2 here. So 2 times 5, that's 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So we have 20 different combinations, 20 meal combinations. For this prix fixe menu.